Discovery. Neon was discovered by Sir William Ramsay and Morris Travers in 1898. It was the first noble gas to be isolated. Noble gas. Neon is a noble gas, belonging to Group 18 of the periodic table. Noble gases are characterized by their low reactivity and full outer electron shells. Discovery. Neon was discovered by Sir William Ramsay and Morris Travers in 1898. It was the first noble gas to be isolated. Colorful signage. Neon is well known for its use in neon signs. When electrically charged, neon gas emits a bright red-orange glow. Other gases and phosphor coatings are used to produce different colors. Multiple colors. While the classic neon sign is red-orange, other noble gases or gas mixtures can produce different colors. For example, argon produces blue light, krypton creates white light, and xenon can produce various colors. Inert nature. Like other noble gases, neon is chemically inert under normal conditions. It does not readily form compounds with other elements. Abundance in the universe. Neon is relatively abundant in the universe, and it is formed through nuclear fusion in stars. However, on Earth, it is a trace component of the atmosphere, making up about 0.0018% by volume. Neon lighting in science. Neon lighting has practical applications in science, including its use in high-voltage indicators, plasma tubes, and certain types of lasers. Neon as a cryogenic refrigerant. Neon has cryogenic properties and is used in certain applications that require extremely low temperatures, such as cryogenic refrigeration. Noble gas lighting in art. The use of noble gases, including neon, in art gained popularity in the 20th century. Neon art installations are created by bending glass tubes filled with different gases and placing them in various configurations. Neon in astronomy. Neon is used as a spectral line in astronomy to study the temperatures, densities, and compositions of celestial objects. It produces distinct lines in the emission spectra of stars. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.